First at 6, we now know the identities of 2 people killed in a murder-suicide after a man took his own life at a local gun range. Thanks for joining us. I'm Jeff Lennox. Investigators say Ryan Scurlock killed Jennifer Roqueta, then himself. West 2's Kara Moore joins us live in Orange County with the latest on this investigation. Kara, good evening.
Well, good evening, Jeff. Jennifer Roqueta worked as a waitress here at the Buffalo Wild Wings that you see behind me in Waterford Lakes. And until fairly recently, Ryan Scurlock worked here too. Investigators say it was a combination of things that led them to Roqueta's apartment yesterday afternoon, both distraught text messages that Scurlock had written himself and concern from his friends. Co-workers here say they simply cannot believe it. Co-workers of 21-year-old Jennifer Roqueta say she always had a smile on her face.
She was a sweet girl. Didn't deserve what happened.
Roqueta worked as a waitress here at Buffalo Wild Wings and was also a UCF student. Co-workers say Ryan Scurlock worked here too as a cook until about 6 months ago. They say the two dated in the past, but there was never any hint of trouble recently.
He was always kind of weird, but I never thought that something like this was going to happen.
Saturday afternoon, investigators say Scurlock rented a handgun at the shooting gallery for target practice. A short time later, he turned the gun on himself. Scurlock's roommate and the roommate's girlfriend called authorities earlier in the day to report Scurlock had sent distraught text messages. They told police to check an address on Woodbury Road. That was Roqueta's apartment, and she was found dead inside along with her dog. And co-workers told me they were not sure exactly how long ago the two broke up, but they say they knew something was wrong on Saturday morning when Jennifer Roqueta did not show up here for her shift. Live in East Orange County, Kara Moore, West 2 News.